Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Vin Dadi. So this right here, I'm gonna show you guys how to remove it easily. So you see this tab right here, and then there's this that clips on to this part, and there's this tab that holds these couple of wires right here. So to get it out, it would be in like that. It would be in like that, and then these would clip right there. So to get it out, guys, you would push this forward and then sort of pry this with something, and then it should go like this and come out. So remember, this tab goes right there, and then this should clip into the bottom, and then you just push this forward, and then it should lip up here, and then pry in this bottom area, and it should come off like that. And then there's this two metal connectors here, or leads. You just sort of take them out. Guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Vin Dadi. Please don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Vin Dadi. So you saw earlier or before that the leads were exposed, so I just electrical tape them both because I don't want to expose it to the moisture because it might get corroded. So I just electrical tape it, and I'm gonna tuck it back in where it's supposed to be. Now I'm gonna put back the tow hitch. Remember guys, it's left hand thread, so it tightens counterclockwise. So gotta put it to off to tighten it. Okay, should be tight. So next is so this hole right here is exposed still. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna rig up this foam and fit it in there so that at least there'll be some cover, and at the same time I'm gonna put a carbon fiber wrap in here. So what I'm gonna do is make a hole in the middle and try to push this and make a perfect circle. So I'm gonna copy the old, this is the original cover, so I'm gonna put it like that and then cut around it. So I'll show you that in a bit. So here guys, I'm just prepping the surface of the bumper and drying it. Now I'll be cutting a hole in the middle of this carbon fiber so I could stick it onto the bumper. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna put a little dab of this blue thread locker because I don't want his license bracket falling off, and this will prevent it from happening. So yeah, just like that, just a little dab of the blue thread locker is plenty. Tool. guys, so I'm using this leveler just so everything is straight, because sometimes when you just eye it up, it might look straight but it's actually not. So right now I'm 100% sure that this is straight, because I don't want his license bracket to be all crooked. Now that you know it's nice and straight, you want to tighten it into place. Don't over tighten it though, just snug it up, because you already have washer in there too, lock washers and the thread lock. So alright, that should be good. It's not moving around anymore. So now guys, I'm putting his license plate on. So I'll be using the hardware that came with it, and I'm gonna add a little washer on the back. So it's pretty simple, you just put it all in here. Self-explanatory, so I don't have to show you that. But that's it. As soon as you tighten everything, it should be good. So guys, all the hardware is in place now, and I double checked it again with the leveler, and it's nice and centered still. So you want to do the final tighten. It's easier with the 10mm wrench, close end, and you can just hold the back, and then the H4 Allen key, and you turn it until it's tight. Just snug it all in place. Go around. So that lock washer will prevent the nut in backing off, especially it vibrates a lot. So that should prevent it from backing off. So that's it guys, it's in place, and he shouldn't have a problem with this license plate bracket coming off. There it is guys, the license plate bracket is nice and straight. So welcome back to my channel, it's me Vin Dadi. So right here we have a 2020 Tesla. I just finished installing the license plate bracket for the owner. So there's the screen guys, 15-inch screen. So I'm just gonna take it for a road test to our regular road test area. Wow, this car drives really smooth guys. It's like nothing I've ever driven before. It is really torquey guys. I'm gonna step on it right here. Oh my gosh, wow. It's like instant power guys, instant. As soon as you step on the gas, it just goes. So let me show you guys what this 2020 Tesla Model 3 looks like. So to park it, just press this button and then it says park. And then to get out, you just press this button and then it pops out. There it is guys, 2020 Tesla. So that's what this Tesla Model 3 2020 looks like from the outside guys. Hopefully later on I can cover the interior for you guys. Looks like this guy is vlogging too. He's got a Mustang. He is vlogging guys. So let me show you guys again the acceleration. I'm gonna step on it right now. Oh yeah. Once again guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. Please continue to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.